Good afternoon. Thanks for clicking on my easy way to do thumbnails for beginner YouTubers. Clickbait! I've got your view now if you want to go, so I'm laughing. But no, seriously, this is how I do it. I've tried all the different programs and all that, and I've just gone back to what I knew worked. So if you got Windows 10, that's what I'm using, type in Paint, and there's the original Paint app. Right click it, and you can pin it to your taskbar. And then what you can do if you're doing gaming videos or anything like that, you can freeze it on the frame you want and press Control Print Screen, open up Paint, Control V, and there's your screenshot. So, I mean, this could be a hardware video, for example. So there you might just want to write something on it or spray paint it or something. So I've got a brush there. I can go to a line, do it red. Oh, hang on, that's not the thing, is it? It's typical when you try to do something. What have I got? Brushes, they are. Spray paint. Right, so pick red. You might want to just, I don't know, circle something, stick an arrow or something. And then you might want to put a bit of text in. So you can change the color of the text there. Click a box. Choose what size you want. You've got all your different styles there that you might want to choose. And then write, I don't know, MSI laptop, I don't know, something like that. And then once you've done that, you literally go to your file, save as, JPEG picture, and then type in what you want. Make sure it's in your pictures file, and then you can upload that as your thumbnail. If you want to go a little bit more complex, now I might mess this up because I've not really done it, but we'll see how it goes. Let's say I'm looking at my YouTubes. Hold on. Let's get to my... Right, so you can see I've not got a very good thumbnail on there. So we go Paint, File, Open. So let's just open that up. Like I say, I'm not very good at doing this. Not to this level. I'm still messing about a little bit. You got your basic picture there that you want to edit. You might want to paste something else in over the top. So you got to be careful with it, because if you go straight to paste, that will cut out some of what you've already got. But you'll have to learn that for yourself on a tutorial. So let's say, for argument's sake, we go there. Actually, zoom out a little bit. Right, so we're giving ourselves plenty of real estate to put a picture in. Select a square for you to paste your picture to. Paste from. Open that up. Right, so that's you got plenty of room to work now. I can trim that down a little bit. Obviously, I want to try and keep the shape looking somewhere near right, but I've got to fit it in that box. Let's try and keep it resembling a Dell Optiplex. Still a bit too big. See, this is turning into a tutorial now, but yeah, if you want to go and you're not bothered about watching any more, fair play. But I've started, so I'm going to finish, and it does move on to another little handy tool that you'll have to watch probably a few videos to get with the other guy. Right, so I'll put it in there. Nothing special, but I suppose it looks all right. Then you can go to bring it all to the size you want it to be again. There you go. Save it maybe just for the best. So save as, I'll put thumbnail. I'll probably go over one I've already done. Right, so I've saved it there. So if there's any mess ups, I've got it. I think you can go to edit with Paint 3D, which is the new one. And then on here, you can put effects and things like that in. So you can come here and do all this messing about here. You got this wheel thing you can turn. But for me, if I'm honest, I'd rather have it as it was. I don't know, how can I get it back to... Right, I've kept pressing Control Z, and that's back to stock now. That's the thing with these programs. As soon as something ain't right, Control Z, and it'll take you back. You can also add text in here, which may or may not be easy to do. Get your text box. Where you think you want it. Choose style. I did see a style in this I quite liked a while back. Where is it? There, Comic Sans. Pick a size. We'll go there. Oh, and yeah, it's 2D. Get your colour. White. Maybe go a bit bigger writing. Ultimate Tiplex build. Center it up a little bit. I don't know. Sort of looks all right enough, but you know, I'm just don't know why it's done that. Did that when I was just practicing with it before, but if it does that, you can just literally go back to there, do another box. It's going to be awkward. Build word in. Just put it where you want it. There you go. Right, it's in. So for me, that's a good enough thumbnail for what I want to do. Hang on. That's one thing I haven't done is I've never saved anything off this. So I have got to just see. How do you save it? Well, hold on. It's literally, I've literally just started using this real recent. So I've played with it, but I've never... Oh, it's there. What an idiot. Save. Right, so that's saved. Then obviously you know the rest, so there you go. Hope this tutorial helps you. Sorry I was a little bit all over the place, but that's what I'm like. Yeah, see you on another one at some point when I've got something useful to say.